So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share. You can also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you're also yet to follow me on Telegram, I will put my link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you'll see the link to my Telegram. So follow me on Telegram. I'll be able to put out some information that will be useful for you. So we will be looking at GBP JPY. You can see that this is a massive move after a correction, right? There was a correction that was made and then massive move was made. We had a massive move. So the next movement I would expect you guys to do is probably wait for GBP JPY to give us a correction. So take your buy at this level for me will be a bit dangerous because it looks like GBP JPY is ready for a fall, one more fall, and I'll be expecting that fall to this level. So once this fall comes to this level, then we can now take a buy on GBP JPY. So we'll be expecting to take our buy probably at this level. So taking it, I'll say it again, once again, taking it buy from this level is a bit dangerous. So wait for it to fall. So once it is falling and you get a confirmation, self confirmation, then I think that would be a good idea for you to actually go ahead and sell too on GBP JPY. So that is what I'll be expecting today, a correction, then a continuous movement upward. Now, those of you that are having trouble growing up your accounts, if in case you need high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, right? All you just have to do is go to the comment section. You'll see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe to our Patreon channel. We are rolling out a 7 days free trial, by the way. So you get to trade with us free for good 7 days. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So these are some of those trades we took on Monday. You can see the trade you actually took on Tuesday. So we are looking at some other couple of trades. So make sure you trade with us. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.